Hi everyone. Welcome to Tech Tidjweez. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of creating realistic images with the help of artificial intelligence. And for this exciting journey, we'll be using Google's Gemini platform, previously known as Bard. So let's get started. Head over to gemini.google.com and sign in with your Google account. Now, here comes the magic part. Type in this prompt. Create a realistic image of an Asian guy sitting on a boss chair, reading a paper. His shirt is white and he is wearing a dark maroon tuxedo, and the white walls of the room are adorned with a few scenic paintings. A steaming cup of coffee sits on his table, and a hint of worry creases his brow. Hit enter and watch the AI work its magic. It will take few moments to create this realistic image. After the completion, it will give you multiple options. Choose the best one and click the download button. Enjoy the downloaded image. You may use it in graphic designing project or anywhere else. You can change the prompt as per your need. Do let us know in comment box if you have any queries. Want to explore more amazing AI tools and stay updated on cutting-edge technology? Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Until next time, have a fantastic day.